Hi, it's Lauren with Modern Day Hypnosis, and I want to share with you some strategies for really short, effective techniques that help you to change your state or your story. Okay, so there are 3 techniques. Your brain really likes 3, and they're all starting with an S. So you got these short S techniques, okay? Sleep, silliness, and sunshine. And techniques for the brain really can happen so quick, and it's even faster than it would take for someone to fall asleep or to even lie down. So when I'm saying sleep, I don't mean that you need to go and take a nap. If you want to take a nap, that's great. Go take a nap. What I'm meaning by this technique of sleep is that for 10, 20, 30 seconds, you allow your brain to simulate sleeping. And what does it do when it's sleeping? Nothing. Okay, there's not a breathing technique. There's not a mantra. You're not even counting. You are just imagining that everything has powered down. And the way that we imagine is with our senses: sight, smell, taste, touch, sound. So whatever that simulation would look like, you could imagine if you were a machine that you've become unplugged, right? And it's the wah, 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 and then you're just sleeping or you're just completely still. Now, this is a technique to change your state because it teaches your brain that you do have a resource. The resource in this context is being off. If you want a resource in another context, that's what I'm meaning when I say the word sunshine. Okay, you don't have to go outside. This isn't a technique of being out in the fresh air or grounding onto the earth. All of that is great, and do that if you like that. But what I'm meaning is that you could be in a basement and you've got 10 seconds walking from here, to the elevator or something, because I guess you're getting out of the basement, and you need to up level, you need to recharge, or you need to release, anything of a story that isn't serving you. And by doing that, you can just imagine the sunshine, or you can just imagine something positive. You can imagine being on the beach, feel the sand, hear the seagulls or the waves, place the sun, or is it nighttime at your beach, or are you in a hammock? Whatever sort of additional resource that you want to sort of flood onto yourself. The sun is one that I think can be really helpful for a lot of people, but again, use one that fits for you, because if you've attended any of the workshops where I don't just run through these things like I am doing right now so quickly. And of course, if you want to write up on more of these things, I have a book. It's called The Brilliance of Imagination. You can go and check that out. But you can attend these workshops where we take some of the specifics of these techniques, and we don't just talk about it, we do it, because you really learn by doing. You don't learn so much by just perceiving, and we certainly don't learn very much by thinking. And so I don't want you to think about these techniques. I really want you to do these techniques. So for you, if you need it simple, and that sunshine is the first thing, then you just imagine that you are somewhere and the sun is shining specifically on you, and it is giving you good energy, and it's bleaching and cleaning and evaporating off anything that isn't serving, right? It's adding first and subtracting second. And so that sunshine is your resource. And then the third of my sleep, sunshine, is silliness, okay? And what silliness is for me is this opportunity to break out, right? To dance, to scream, right? To wiggle, or just imagine something really fun, okay? And safe, right? Or the havening that I'm demonstrating, this could be a 4th category, but I don't want it to be complicated at all. Please just know that it can be so simple as you just taking 10 or 20 seconds to imagine sleeping, or picturing the sunshine and just letting that feeling swoop in, or something fun, laughing out loud, yoga laughter. I mean, these things, we know all of these things really do change the chemistry in the brain, and I just want to remind or support or teach you or encourage you to be doing these things. So please do these things and let me know how these things are going for you, or if you have questions on anything that I've said or anything that I've said in other videos, or just come to a workshop with me, because they're completely free and I do them every week. So I look forward to seeing you. There's all the links that you need below, or information, and I'll be back again soon. Lauren with Modern Day Hypnosis. Bye.